nation's top infectious disease specialist says tonight he expects a vaccine to enter the FDA's emergency authorization process within the next week and a half.
And the very first Americans could start receiving it December. That is the word from Dr. Anthony Fauci, a senior member of the president's coronavirus task force. But the good news comes as cases in coronavirus in California surge to new records nationwide. KCAL 9's Lori Perez is live in Burbank right now with late details. Lori?
Yeah, hospitals all over the country are bracing for a possible influx of cases. In fact, tonight, if you live in the city of LA, you might have gotten a public emergency alert on your phone. Earlier tonight, the city sent it out, warning of an increase in cases. The good news, as you said, is Dr. Fauci says help is coming, and it's coming soon.
We likely will be able to start dispensing vaccines in December and then progressively over the next few months.
Finally, some light at the end of the tunnel, a day after Pfizer announced promising news about its experimental COVID-19 vaccine. The nation's leading infectious disease expert says the first doses are right around the corner and will likely go to first responders and those most vulnerable by the end of the year. And what about the general population?
So I would say by April, you'll be able to be vaccinated.
But Dr. Anthony Fauci warns.
But in that interim, we could get into a lot of difficulty if we don't adhere to the public health measures.
That means keeping masks on and keeping your distance, especially as cases in 46 states are now surging.
We need to remember to keep our guard up.
And tonight, governors from coast to coast are pleading for people to be safe as more than 1 million Americans have tested positive for COVID-19 in the last 10 days, the highest rate since the pandemic began. Nearly half of the cases are in the Midwest, including DuPage County, Illinois, where there are long lines for testing, and in Des Moines, Iowa, where for the first time ever, hospitals are at capacity and close to capacity statewide.
The situation has the potential to impact any Iowan who may need care for any reason.
Despite the crush of cases, Dr. Fauci says he knows some Americans will be reluctant to get vaccinated. He thinks that could change when they see how well it works. So far, Pfizer has released stunning clinical results.
When you hear something is 90 to 95% effective, it makes it much more likely that someone would want to get vaccinated.
Now, meanwhile, the FDA has given emergency approval for the first antibody treatment for patients, COVID patients with mild or moderate symptoms. The first 300,000 doses of that will be sent to hospitals and doctors tomorrow. We are live in Burbank tonight. I'm Lori Perez. Back to you.